It's time to craft. Let's go.
So as you can see here, I have this cloth that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. It is really, really cute and farmhousey. And what I'm doing is taking and marking off or measuring where I want to place these strips that I've cut out on this can. Now, if you remember, these cans came from my daughter's job. You know, they saved me 6 of these very large cans for my Trash to Treasure projects. And being that it was already spray painted, all I had to do was just add some Mod Podge to the entire um, can, and then just apply the fabric to the center of the project. And as you can see, I am just going around the can trying to make sure that I have the right measurement for this midsection. Now I do have 2 cans and I will be styling them differently. And here is my Mod Podge, and I am just dabbing it in the area on the can to where I will be placing the fabric. And you want to make sure that when you are doing this project that you apply a generous amount of Mod Podge to this. You can also use some adhesive spray if you prefer, but I was working indoors this day, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to use the Mod Podge. And I actually like the Mod Podge better. So guys, I want to welcome everyone back to my channel, my new and returning subscribers. I pray that you all are having a great day. And I also want to thank you all for sending up your thoughts and your prayers for Uncle T as well as myself. He had the flu, or has the flu, and I am right behind him with it. But I said, I don't care, come sick or not, I am going to get this video uploaded to the channel so that I can stay consistent on my uploads in 2026. And as you can see here, I have this gray paint. This is a chalk paint by Waverly, and I am just going to apply it to the top rim of this can, on the inside of the can, as well as at the bottom of the can, and the base itself at the bottom of the can. And when you see these two, well, let me say it like this: when you see how I styled both of these, I think you're going to like it. And there's so many options that you can actually use these cans for. And always remember, when we as crafters bring you something to the channel, it is our inspiration, but hopefully you can gain inspiration as well. And now I'm taking this beautiful ribbon that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I am applying it around the top of the fabric as well as the bottom portion of the fabric. Now this is to mask any imperfections from the way I cut out the fabric, because keep in mind, Joy doesn't do things straight. I cannot cut paper straight, so this is a great way to hide imperfections. And just like I applied the Mod Podge to the fabric, I also applied it to the ribbon. Now, I just took some of this assorted greenery from the Dollar Tree and put it on the inside of this piece. And now we're moving to the second can. And what I'm going to do is make these into smaller strips, and I am going to fit it at the top half of the can, leaving the part from the ridges in the can down without any fabric layering on it. So guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. So now what you see me doing is just applying the Mod Podge to the top half of the can, and I am folding the strips that I cut over the lip of the can so that it is as even as possible. So I know you've seen where you have these baskets and they have this inlays, and so I was like going for that, and now I ran out of the white ribbon, so I said, well, let me use the white ribbon that I do have, which was that cream color or off-white color, and I just went around the perimeter of the fabric that I had at the top. As you can see, I made sure everything was even, and now I am just taking my dabber and I'm dabbing that same gray paint all around the base, the middle, as well as on top of this ribbon. And when I say this turned out super cute, this turned out super cute. And one good thing about this is that you can incorporate this into your kitchen by adding some of those serving spoons. You can just use these for organization for just about anything. It's cute, it's decorative, and it's accent decor. Now, this is the next day, and when I looked at the can, I noticed that it didn't dry evenly, the paint didn't. So I went back and just added some more paint without using the dabber, and this made the can turn out really, really cute. Again, I ended up creating a cabbage I said cabbage, cottage style farmhouse decor accent piece. Now say that like 3 times and see if you don't fumble the word. So a cottage farmhouse style decor, that's what we're going to name this. And again, you can use this organizer in the kitchen, in your bedroom, in your bathroom, to just store different things and just give it a cute look, so that it's just not looking all plain and just blah blah blah. And now to take this up a notch, you know that Joy loves jute and Joy loves bows. So I have some of this sheer ribbon that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to create some bows to put on the front of the can to add additional elements to this piece and to give it more texture. Guys, comment the word of the day, gray, if you made it this far in the video. guys, we're headed into the reveal. You got to let me know what you think of these two pieces.